Well, time to get this show started. Beep. Contact. All right, 540, lower RPMs. Looking good. Hit it.
Hey, all you bulldogs out there. This is Sarah, the wife, again. If I were to sum up 2022 in 2 words, it would be lawn makeovers. Turns out a lot of people don't like their lawns, and we've been hearing from a lot of them so far this year. In fact, that's been the main meat and potatoes of our business so far this year, much to our surprise. Take a look at this video footage that we have here. This is one of the lawn makeovers that we did recently. Now, this neighbor had a very sloped lawn with a lot of pits and divots in it, and he wanted to throw a party in the late summer and wanted to make sure his lawn was nice and level. So this was a complete tear out and install of a brand new lawn in several steps. There's so many steps that I split this into 2 videos because I wanted to make sure we got all the footage in. So for the very first step, we need to tear up the existing lawn. Justin's got the John Deere tiller on his tractor for this step. Take a look.
You know what? I'm pretty happy with this. We got it down to 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches. Harley raked it, so to speak. Next, what I like to do is come through with the cultipacker and we kind of firm everything up. Okay, once we do that, we got to get rid of some of the grass clippings. See, even the little grass, there's still clumps if you dig in it. We'll cultipack it, firm it in there, and then you'll see me run the drag harrow over it, and we'll get all those clumps, and we're just gonna throw them back as far as we can. But yeah, overall, you know, pretty happy with you know, how it turned out. There's, you know, some clumps, but not too bad. Well, so there has it. Did the chain harrow right up through there is kind of where we all push the stuff. Yeah, not too bad. We're gonna get a bunch of black dirt. I don't know, a whole lot of black dirt. And we're gonna start building up this area. Up. Be nice and flat. And it'll be a nice yard when we're done. Still a lot more work to do.